Ever found yourself staring at a spreadsheet, a tangled mess of numbers, trying to figure out if your nonprofit's donations are properly allocated, or if that grant you just received is being spent exactly how the donor intended? You're not alone. And if you're asking yourself, isn't there a better way? You're absolutely right. Let's face it, fund accounting isn't exactly a picnic. It's the meticulous tracking of resources, ensuring every dollar is used for its designated purpose. It's about transparency, accountability, and ultimately, fulfilling your organization's mission. But when you're dealing with multiple funding sources, each with its own set of restrictions and reporting requirements, things can get complicated. Imagine this: you're a nonprofit running a community outreach program. You've got funding from government grants, private foundations, and individual donors. Each of these sources comes with its own set of rules. Some money can only be used for specific program expenses, while others are restricted to administrative costs. You need to track every penny, generate detailed reports, and ensure compliance with all those regulations. One wrong move, and you risk losing funding, damaging your reputation, or even facing legal consequences. Now, you might be thinking, spreadsheets are fine, right? I've been using them for years. But let's be honest, spreadsheets are prone to errors, they're time-consuming, and they don't always provide the level of visibility you need. You're constantly juggling multiple files, manually updating data, and hoping you haven't made a mistake. And when it comes time for audits, well, let's just say it's not a fun experience. So, the burning question is, can a modern, integrated software solution like NetSuite actually handle the intricacies of fund accounting? Can it streamline your processes, improve accuracy, and give you the peace of mind you deserve? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But let's dive deeper and explore exactly how NetSuite empowers organizations to conquer the challenges of fund accounting. First and foremost, NetSuite offers robust general ledger capabilities designed to handle the complexities of fund accounting. It allows you to create and manage multiple fund segments, each with its own set of accounts and restrictions. This means you can easily track revenue and expenses for different funding sources, ensuring accurate allocation and reporting. Think of it as having separate compartments within your financial system, each representing a different fund. You can assign specific transactions to these compartments, ensuring that every dollar is tracked and accounted for. This level of granularity is crucial for maintaining compliance and demonstrating accountability. But it's not just about tracking transactions. NetSuite also provides powerful reporting tools that allow you to generate detailed financial statements, including balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements, broken down by fund. This gives you a clear picture of your financial performance, enabling you to make informed decisions and demonstrate transparency to your stakeholders. Imagine being able to generate a report that shows exactly how much money has been spent from each grant, broken down by expense category. This level of detail is invaluable for reporting to donors and ensuring compliance with funding requirements. Furthermore, NetSuite's commitment accounting functionality is a game-changer for nonprofits. You can track commitments against budgets, ensuring that you're not overspending and staying within your funding limits. This helps prevent budget overruns and ensures that you're using your resources effectively. Essentially, you can set up budget controls that prevent you from spending more than you've allocated for a particular fund or program. This helps you stay on track and avoid financial surprises. And let's not forget about NetSuite's powerful automation capabilities. You can automate many of the manual tasks associated with fund accounting, such as generating reports, reconciling accounts, and allocating expenses. This frees up your staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. For example, you can set up automated workflows to generate monthly reports for each fund, or to automatically allocate indirect costs across different grants. This saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. NetSuite also offers robust grant management features, allowing you to track grant applications, awards, and reporting requirements. You can easily manage grant budgets, track expenses, and generate reports for grantors. This helps streamline your grant management process and ensures compliance with grant requirements. Imagine having a central repository for all your grant information, including application documents, award letters, and reporting deadlines. You can easily track the status of each grant and ensure that you're meeting all your obligations. Another key advantage of NetSuite is its real-time visibility. You can access up-to-date financial information from anywhere, at any time. This allows you to monitor your financial performance, identify potential issues, and make timely decisions. Whether you're in the office, at a conference, or working remotely, you can access your financial data and make informed decisions. This level of accessibility is crucial for staying on top of your finances. And because NetSuite is a cloud-based solution, it's scalable and flexible. It can grow with your organization, accommodating your changing needs and requirements. This means you don't have to worry about outgrowing your software. As your organization grows and your funding sources increase, NetSuite can easily adapt to your changing needs. You can add new users, customize workflows, and integrate with other systems as needed. But it's not just about the features and functionality. NetSuite also offers a robust ecosystem of partners and consultants who specialize in nonprofit solutions. These experts can help you implement and customize NetSuite to meet your specific needs. You're not alone in this journey. You have access to a network of professionals who can provide guidance and support. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but is NetSuite right for my organization? The answer depends on your specific needs and requirements. If you're a nonprofit struggling with manual processes, limited visibility, and complex reporting requirements, then NetSuite is definitely worth considering. It can help you streamline your operations, improve accuracy, and enhance transparency. But it's important to remember that NetSuite is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a powerful platform that can be customized to meet the unique needs of your organization. It's essential to work with experienced consultants who can help you implement and configure NetSuite to maximize its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.